adding 2 cups of water here, naturally in 1 Aquafina bottle. 2 heaping tablespoons of almond butter. 2, this is 1, 2. Monk fruit. Vanilla, half a teaspoon of vanilla, full package of either stevia, which we usually have, but we're all out, so I'm using the monk fruit, so full package. And a pinch of salt. This is red sea salt, because we use the fingernails all the time, never have time to do them. Okay, so we're going to blend all that. This is called 30-second nut milk. So there is that creamy almond nut milk. It's delicious compared to the store-bought, and homemade smoothies are not good with regular milk. You've got to have almond milk. So this is going to get cold in the refrigerator for a little bit, and I'll make the smoothies. Peach strawberry smoothies, and I am using, if you could smell this, frozen. All your frozen stuff goes in first. So I'm doing this one-handed, camera in the other hand, because I don't know, it's not worth getting my stand out for. And a couple of strawberries. Strawberries go a long way. You only need 1, 2, 3 at the most. And then I'll add the almond milk, and I'll add the bananas first too. Adding the bananas. You want to put the frozen berries or whatever you're using that's frozen in first, so that the blades can cut it. Bananas at the top, and then your liquid, which you're not going to typically use a whole lot, just enough to get it to become a smoothie. And we're going to do crush because of the frozen, and then blend. Okay, there it is. It's a little more runny than what I would like. Probably added a little too much almond milk. The kids love these. And my biggest thing is I know the ingredients that are in here. And so we all get to enjoy these in the summer. There we go. I think I got this on Amazon. I've had these for so long, I don't even remember. So this is going to go in the freezer. It's a silicone on the inside, so you'll just push them out. The stick will stay in. You'll push from the bottom, the pop out. It's not going to pull out typically.